parang sila nakakatuwa tignan. Looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God. Dami nila guys. Can you see that guys? Ayun. Bye! May naiwan pa. Dalawa. So this is the beautiful sea. You can see the waves, the sea breeze. You can feel it. It's cold. It's nice here. The place is so beautiful. And there are some waves. Sometimes it comes down. Sometimes it splashes so hard and so high. Look at that. Like that one. Ooh. Looks like very angry. Right? So nice. It's beautiful. Yes. Beautiful sea. I love to watch the waves. So relaxing. So if you want to relax, you just go to the seaside and watch them, okay, and reminisce the beautiful things in your life, okay, with the nice people, with your good friends, all the beautiful memories. You just think about it. Yeah, no sell. That's it. And you can enjoy the beauty of the nature, and you can enjoy as well the sea and everything. Oh, that's it guys. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the waves. Look at that. Oh my God, very beautiful. But the water here is so cold. Very cold. Look at that. Galit na galit. Oh my God. So ayan guys. Let's go. Keep walking. And Cella's here. She's very dirty. Right, Sally? You're very dirty now. Can you hear the waves? Oh my God, it's very beautiful, you know? Can you hear that? Look at that. Ooh. Sally, what are you looking at there? Oh. Ayan, medyo malayo na kami. Sala. Ang ganda ng place, diba? Ang ganda ng lugar. Ganda. Basta maganda, maganda, maganda. Here. Look at that. Sala's enjoying. Sally's enjoying, guys. She loves it here. Sally loves it here, you know. You see the waves, guys. Very beautiful. Look at that. Salpukan. Galit na galit. Gustong manakit. Diba guys? Ang ganda. Looks very beautiful. Oh. Come on waves. Come out. More higher. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Come on. More higher. Where are you now, waves? Please come out.